everyone, and welcome back to Double Down. Today I am doing my morning AM skincare routine and showing you all of the products that I use and why, products that have helped my skin to get to this point, and sharing with you some real gems that I have in terms of hydration and just products that have allowed my skin in the past 2 years to go from multiple breakouts to no breakouts. So if you want to see what I'm using, then please keep watching. Okay, first up is a product that my husband and I created. We love our vegan lip balm. This is called The Present, and this is what it looks like. And our lip balm is so emollient, no dyes, no petrochemicals, no parabens, made with 95% organic ingredients. I am at the end of my second tube, and I use this. Morning, noon, and night. I have one in my purse, I have one in my nightstand, I have one in my office, I have one in my makeup bag, I have them everywhere, I have it in my car, I have it everywhere. So this keeps my lips 100% hydrated. And this is The Present by us at Doubledown Cosmetics. So to start my AM skincare routine, I go between two different cleansers by two phenomenal estheticians whom I've both seen. I cannot thank Skincare by Jennifer enough. I love her products. I have a multitude of products to show you by her, but I'm going to start with her Chamomile cleanser. This cleanser has evening primrose oil in it. It has chamomile, nourishing ingredients that will not clog your pores, that will not break you out. This is so hydrating. As you can see, the consistency and the thickness in this cleanser is very, very emollient, and a little goes a long way. The reason why I have used half of this is because I travel with this. I have a travel bottle, as well as this is the glass container which stays in our bathroom. This cleanser has been a saving grace for me when I traveled across the country with my mother-in-law last year, and we were in so many states, so many cities. This cleanser kept me from hotel to hotel. In terms of traveling, you want to make sure that you have your regular routine, and this cleanser kept me from city to city, to state, and it was my tried and true. The water is different in every state. You never know what you're going to get, but this cleanser is my tried and true. Again, this is the Chamomile cleanser by Skincare by Jennifer, Jennifer's Naturals. The next cleanser is by an esthetician friend of mine. I have been using this for the past couple months. I got this cleanser when it came out. I go between Jen's cleanser and this cleanser by Fenya. This is the Guidance to Glow Gentle Face Wash, and I love this. Again, this is very gentle, very emollient. This is what it looks like in the container, and I really love this. It has hyaluronic acid, and again, it's very gentle. I just wanted something in addition to my other cleanser, just in case I may be feeling just a little drier. It just depends on where my skin is at, or for hydration. They both hydrate so well. If I want a little bit more hydration, I will use this just for the hyaluronic acid, and if I'm dealing more on the drier side, I will use this by Skincare by Jen. Those are my two cleansers that I use for my AM skincare routine. Next up is Tona. I am taking you to my tried and true. I have used this toner for 9 years straight. This is the Essence Toner by LeMieux. I love the LeMieux team. They so generously send me products from time to time. This Essence Toner, it's everything. It is serum based, it's serum infused, such incredible ingredients. I believe they have sweet orange oil in this toner. I really love this toner. This has been my tried and true through my eczema stage, through acne, through dehydration. I went home to take care of my mother. My skin was all over the place, and this remained in my routine. Again, this is the Essence Toner by LeMieux. This is what it looks like. You can see It's very serum-like on the skin. It's not just a water-based toner. It is serum-like. You can see how much hydration is right there on the skin. I highly recommend this. I will leave all of the information in the description box below. The two masks that I use for my AM skincare routine, I go between two. This Pure Hydration Mask by Guidance to Glow. Again, Fenya, she killed it with this mask. This mask has helped me with breakouts. If I have a breakout, which I haven't had any breakouts in 8 months, but if I have a breakout, I will use this overnight and it will be gone the next day due to the hydration qualities in this mask. Hyaluronic acid, collagen, triglycerides, all of the things that you need to keep your skin supple and hydrated, this has in it. This is the Pure Hydration Mask by Guidance to Glow. Now, my esthetician, Skincare by Jennifer, she makes the best collagen products, hands down, on the market. This is the Collagen Cream Mask. I use this when my skin is dry. I have used this for the past 2 weeks because I had the flu and my skin is still not recovered. I am dealing with some redness, as you can see, but overall, this mask is phenomenal. It is so hydrating. I'm going to show you on the skin what it looks like, and it's just so effective. Again, hydrating, collagen based, peptides, you name it, it has it in this mask. And again, I highly recommend this. This is the Collagen Cream Mask by Skincare by Jennifer. Speaking of collagen products, we're gonna go straight to her Collagen Day Mask. This is my favorite moisturizer for daytime. My makeup stays all day with this moisturizer, and that's what it looks like. This is what it looks like on the skin. So emollient, not thick at all. It's not gonna leave your skin oily. It's not gonna leave your skin like a grease bomb. It's just gonna hydrate where it needs to hydrate. One of the reasons why I love this moisturizer is because, let's say if I'm really dry in this area, and let's say if I'm oily in this area, this moisturizer adapts to your skin, and that's one of the reasons why I really love it. I have a lot of samples from Jen because I travel, and so she so graciously has gifted me so many products, so thank you, Jen. Next up is this Lemon Water Gel Cream by Skincare by Jennifer. This has hyaluronic acid in it, it has ginseng extract, it has lemon extract. Because it does have acids in it, I only use this once to twice a week because I no longer use acids on my skin. They damaged my skin. They did not heal my skin. Even when I had breakouts, it wasn't due to me using acids. I needed to use hydration, and that's the mistake that I made. So I'm trying to educate so many people that I come in contact with. Of course, everybody's skin is different, but there are universal products that will work for everyone, like these collagen products, like Fenya's hydration mask, like the cleansers. Those will work for anybody because they are equipped and adapted to work with every skin type. A product that didn't work for me that I do want to mention because it does set my makeup really well, but didn't work for me really well, if that makes sense, is this Glow Maker by Maelove. A lot of people have been talking about this. My cousin Joni gifted this to me. Again, I don't love it, but it works for setting makeup. That is the only reason why I would even use just a little bit, but I just didn't love the feel on my skin. It felt very, grease-like, and it felt very, it just sat on top of my skin, but it set my makeup really well. So I was going back and forth, but it's not an item that I would repurchase, and I wanted to mention that because a lot of people do love it. Some of my friends love this product. Again, if you want to set your makeup, then this is the product for you. I wouldn't highly recommend it. That's just my opinion, and I'm sticking to it. Next up is this Radiance Clay Mask by Floracopeia. I've been using a few products from their brand on and off, and this is what it looks like. It's a red clay inside, if you can see that, and you just mix it with some kind of water. I use our water that we get from a company here, and I mix it and it's pure and I know what I'm putting on my skin. This has Moroccan Rasu clay, it has pink clay, it has green clay, has pure powder, it has Schizandra fruit powder, and it has organic rose petal powder. My skin looks so radiant after I use this mask. I've been using it for 3 years and I love the Floracopeia brand. Next up is my tried and true for 3 years. This is the Beauty Fix Balm by the Beauty Chef in Australia, and this balm is the balm. It is a balm that looks like this. It is so emollient. I will use this on my hands every morning, noon, and night. Before we created our lip balm, this is what I was using on my lips. This is just a fantastic probiotic, bio-activated balm with fermented coconut oil in it. It has chickpeas. It smooths fine lines and wrinkles. This is what I've been using on this spot right here. This is the only place where I have hyperpigmentation. This is the spot where I used to pick my skin. I'm 45 years old. I have no wrinkles. I have no crow's feet. I'm very happy with where my skin is at compared to where it was. So these are my tried and true products. These are the products that have given me a minimalistic routine, and I'm very, very happy with me just really diving down into the skincare process, seeing what works. I've used so many products. And the two oils that I do want to mention that I use in my morning routine, this oil by Doterra called Breathe. I am obsessed with this. I just go like this in the morning. I will put a couple drops on my fingertips, just like that, and I will just go like this and put it around my neck and my décolleté area, just to meditate and have my time and just really wake up and take in the day. It's really important for me to do that. This oil we've used for 3 years and it just smells so good. The other oil that I love is Deep Blue by doTERRA. I use this for my muscles, for my bones, my back. I use this on my neck, and I will just take a little and just rub it in to my points and my pressure points to just alleviate any muscle tension. So that is my AM skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed my routine. I hope that some of these products you can look into and you can research for yourself. Skincare routine is that it works for you. It should work for you. Also, this is my robe from Saks Fifth Avenue. It's just a shower robe. So again, I will list all of the products in the description box. We hope that you have a great day, and thank you from us here at Doubledown. So long. See you next time.